Hello everyone, this is my review of these Meiju valve stem caps. The aluminum alloy material feels solid, not cheap or flimsy like some plastic or rubber caps I've used before. Installing them was super easy. I just unscrewed the old caps and screwed these on. They fit perfectly on my car and truck without any fuss. Once they're on, they stay put, and I never have to worry about them loosening up, even after long drives. I went with the blue color, and I really like the way it looks. It gives a subtle, custom touch that stands out just enough without being over the top. It's a minor detail, but it really adds to the overall look of the wheels, especially when you're parked and people are close enough to notice. Another thing I appreciate is that they feel durable. After weeks of use and a few car washes, they still look great and haven't scratched or faded. Overall, if you want an easy and affordable way to add a bit of style and protection to your tires, these valve stem caps are a nice upgrade. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.